Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kezia. I hope you're all doing well. Today we have a beautiful wig to install, friends. Let's jump into it, shall we? Friends, we have a new sponsor on the channel. Yay! Let's do the new sponsor dance. Hey, turn up to the new sponsor. Turn up to the new sponsor. Turn up to the new sponsor. Hey. Let's give a warm welcome to today's sponsor of today's review. Welcome, Omgqueen. I have not worked or collaborated with this company before. Actually, matter of fact, I have never even heard of this company before this. I am blown away. If you want quality, high quality, comfortable, you get what you're paying for, hit them up, because baby, this wig is glueless, but like you cannot tell. Today what I have installed is a 6-in-1 wear and go glueless wig. This is the 22 inch and she is 22 inch styled length. When you stretch her out, she's actually given longer than that, so she's in her styled length 22, which is automatically very impressive. It comes with a 9x6 parting space, 9 inches, so the only spot that has no lace is like 3 inches here on the sides, which is perfect. This has real HD lace. The fitted cap, you're going to be able to tell perfectly glueless this wig is because it fits like a glove, guys. Look at that. Open up the part a little, so I'm gonna go in with my powder. Okay, and then spray her down. This is a very pretty wig. Wow. This is the 22 inch and she is 22 inch styled length. So when you stretch her, it's giving like 24 inch. We love that. Comes with a 9x6 parting space. It's basically a frontal closure wig. This has real HD lace, perfectly glueless. It fits like a glove. Look at that. And it does not go anywhere. I'm really impressed with this unit. This is the deep wave texture, and right away when I saw this wig out of the bag, I was really impressed because this wig that I have in front of me that I have installed, wow, silky silk, super comfortable construction. It also has an adjustable drawstring at the back, so you can tighten it if you want it to feel tighter. And it also has removable Velcro clip. Pull on them and they can Velcro back. I like that better than the hook version. The M cap also fits around your ear. Super comfortable to wear. It doesn't have an elastic band in it, but it also has like the rubber silicone grip at the back. So it really feels like the wig is in place. It doesn't feel like it's slipping around. If you want to tighten it, you can. You can probably wear her in a ponytail like that. Because it is a parting max wig, you have tons of parting space, like as you can see right here. You can do braids, you can do any kind of style. Now, I did wash her and let her air dry, and this is what she's giving. Originally, I washed her with a lot of conditioner, and I didn't like how that was feeling. It was just feeling like it was weighing the hair down too much, so I re-washed her and then I let her dry, and then I just put her to dry on a mannequin. The pre-plucked, pre-bleached hairline is perfect, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. Again, look at that parting space. Amazing. You could do half up, half down. You could do 2 little braids there. You can get away with so much on this unit. Like, look at that. Like, quickly, you can transform her into a totally new wig, just like that. And the curls are very much soft, right? So if you want to wear her in an updo, you can technically wear her in an updo gluelessly as well. This is just to show you guys, like, you don't have to be, you know, stuck with the style that you have. I love it. The density is very full. Like, oh my goodness, it's not even fully combed out. Like, you can see all the curls are still very much intact there. I wonder what all the other wigs look like, because if this wig is that good, I want to try all the other ones. I want to try the straight texture. I want to try some highlight wigs. Like, what else you got in your bag over there at Omgqueen? Because this is top tier, baby. If you're looking for a good glueless curly wig, look no further. If you like thick density, high quality hair, that's it right here. Yeah, that's it. That's all. I gotta run now. I'll catch you guys later in another review real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye now.